Stephanie.
Hello, I'm Stephanie Alexander and I'm watching, or doing, or whatever, Kids Cucinare.
Now we're getting nasty.
I believe the children are the future. Teach them well and give me a pipe of crack. I believe that's how the song goes.
Everybody's talking about the kids. The kids got fucking soul and groove emotion.
I never know what is going on around here. Somebody said, build it and they will come. Guess what? There's nobody here, baby. Once somebody asked me for directions down here. I said, don't ask me. I'm from Melbourne. I've been invited here tonight by Associate Professor Jacqueline Dutton. Stephanie Alexander's been working with over 300 schools, teaching them about gardens and how you can grow your own food and then eat it too.
I realised something when I got there. Everything these guys were saying up on stage was being filmed already. Even worse, from where I was sitting, Stephanie Alexander was too short for the frame.
Curse you, munchkin lady!
I, of course, was there for the canapes.
Bonsoir, je m'appelle Jacqueline Ditton. Vous regardez Kids Culinaria. Bonne soirée.
If only they could get the name of my blog right.
Well, I guess I'm just an educated fool.